Hexcel was the idea of a couple of students many, many years ago in California, and they developed the very first honeycomb made from fiberglass. It was very lightweight, very strong. Immediately got traction with the Air Force, and it has expanded over the past 75 years into a great product that we have today.
Hexcel is a materials company who specialize in lightweight material. We make honeycomb structures for rotor blades, as well as control surfaces and engine nacelles.
Hexcel makes products for the aerospace industry. Hexcel is the global leader in composite manufacturing. Here at this site, we take raw materials from other Hexcel sites and we create semi-finished product for our customers.
I manufacture a composite. It's put onto a machine, and then I program it so that it specifically cuts a part that's going to be used for a nacelle for jet engines.
I take a part that comes through from production. It comes down to me kind of dirty, and I take a pair of tweezers. I have to clean it up, and then what I do is I inspect it, and that's saying you can ship it.
We come in and we help operators with whatever issue they're having.
I release the production orders to the operators so the operators could start building product.
The neat thing about manufacturing is taking a raw material, working together in a team, and producing final parts.
Taking raw material and turning it into a part that eventually will go into an aircraft.
We get to take raw lump of clay, slice it, dice it, glue it together, and make this really big complex part that flies.
You go to the airport, you see the A320 Airbus is going, and it's like, man, did I have a hand in making that?